Alright, good evening everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's day 13 of our 365-day challenge. Our challenge for today is to do 13 muscle ups. Since it's our day 13, we will add 1 rep each day. Okay, enough of the talking. Let's start. Finally, the rain stops and we have a chance to do our workout. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's okay to rest. 12, 13. Okay, and then 13 muscle pull-ups. Then 13 push-up. Do not let the weather affect you guys. It doesn't matter what the weather condition is. Just keep grinding every day. Just show up and execute your goal. Listen to your body. You can take some rest if needed. Okay, so far that's it for today. See you again tomorrow on day 14 of our 365-day challenge. Thank you.